are incredible!
They are the true superheroes of our planet. Not only do they add beauty to our world, but they also play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Imagine a world without the lush greenery that surrounds us. It would be a barren, lifeless place. They provide us with the very air we breathe and the food we eat. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, a gas essential for our survival. This simple yet miraculous process is the foundation of life on Earth. Without plants, life on Earth would be impossible. They are the backbone of all ecosystems, supporting a vast array of life forms from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals. Plants create habitats and provide food and shelter for countless species. From towering trees to tiny blades of grass, plants are essential for all living creatures. Trees with their majestic canopies offer shade and shelter, while grasses provide food for herbivores. Each plant, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the web of life. Plants are like nature's factories, constantly working to create the things we need to survive. They produce oxygen, food, and even medicine. Many of the medicines we use today are derived from plants, showcasing their incredible healing properties. They are the primary producers of food, meaning they make their own food from scratch. Through their roots, they absorb water and nutrients from the soil. And with the help of sunlight, they create energy-rich compounds that sustain them and other organisms. This process is what makes them so special and vital to the balance of our planet. Photosynthesis not only fuels the growth of plants, but also helps regulate the Earth's atmosphere, making it a livable place for all creatures. Let's explore the fascinating world of plants and discover how they achieve this incredible feat. From the microscopic processes within their cells to the grand ecosystems they support, plants are truly the unsung heroes of our planet. Join us as we delve deeper into their world and uncover the secrets of their success.
Plants possess a unique ability to harness energy from the sun. They do this using a special pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives plants their vibrant green color. It acts like a solar panel, capturing sunlight and converting it into usable energy. This remarkable pigment is found within tiny structures inside plant cells called chloroplasts. Think of chloroplasts as miniature food factories, busily working away inside every leaf. Chlorophyll is the key worker in these factories. Without it, the process of making food would be impossible.
Sunlight is the driving force behind plant growth and food production. Just like humans need food for energy, plants need sunlight. They have evolved this incredible ability to directly utilize the sun's energy. This energy is used to power the process of photosynthesis. Plants have adapted to make the most of sunlight. Leaves are broad and flat to capture as much sunlight as possible. Within the leaves, chlorophyll molecules are strategically positioned to capture every available photon of light energy.
Plants have a surprising ingredient on their menu: carbon dioxide. This gas, which we breathe out, is essential for plant growth. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through tiny openings on their leaves called stomata. While we might think of carbon dioxide as a waste product, plants see it as a valuable resource. They have developed the remarkable ability to take this gas and, using the energy from sunlight, transform it into sugars. It's a bit like magic, turning something we don't need into something essential for life.
Section 5. Water, the essential drink. Plants need water just like we do, although they take it up through their roots. Water is essential for photosynthesis, acting as a crucial ingredient in the food-making process. It also helps transport nutrients throughout the plant, ensuring it stays healthy and strong. Imagine water as the delivery system within a plant. It carries vital nutrients from the soil up to the leaves where they are needed for photosynthesis. Without water, plants would wilt and eventually die. They simply cannot survive without a constant supply of this precious liquid.
Section 6. Photosynthesis, the amazing process. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to create their own food. This remarkable process is fundamental to life on Earth, as it forms the base of the food chain. Without photosynthesis, plants wouldn't be able to produce the oxygen we breathe or the food we eat. It's truly an amazing process that sustains life. This process takes place inside the chloroplast, those tiny factories within plant cells. Chloroplasts contain a pigment called chlorophyll, which gives plants their green color and plays a crucial role in capturing sunlight. Think of chloroplasts as the powerhouses of the plant cell, converting light energy into chemical energy. It's a complex process, But in simple terms, it's like building with Legos. Just as you need different pieces to construct a Lego model, plants need various components to carry out photosynthesis. Imagine sunlight as the energy that connects the Lego bricks together. Sunlight provides the necessary energy to drive the photosynthetic reactions. Without sunlight, the process wouldn't be possible. Carbon dioxide provides the carbon atoms, which are like the individual Lego bricks. These carbon atoms are essential building blocks for creating glucose, the plant's food. Water molecules are split apart, providing hydrogen atoms, the connectors that hold the Lego structure together. This splitting of water also releases oxygen as a byproduct, which is then released into the atmosphere. The result of this building process is glucose, a type of sugar that plants use for energy. Glucose is stored in the plant and can be used immediately for energy or converted into other forms like starch for later use. This stored energy is what fuels the plant's growth and development. An important byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. As plants create glucose, they release oxygen into the air, which is essential for the survival of most living organisms on Earth. This oxygen is what we breathe in every day. Through photosynthesis, plants not only sustain themselves, but also support the entire ecosystem. They provide food and oxygen, making them indispensable to life on our planet. The energy captured and stored by plants is transferred through the food chain, supporting herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores alike. In a forest ecosystem, for example, photosynthesis drives the growth of trees and plants, which in turn provide habitat and food for countless species. The energy flow from plants to animals and then to predators is a continuous cycle that maintains the balance of nature. Humans are also directly connected to this process. The oxygen we breathe and the food we consume are products of photosynthesis. Every breath we take and every meal we eat are thanks to this incredible process happening in the green plants around us. So, the next time you see a plant basking in the sunlight, remember the amazing process of photosynthesis happening within its leaves. It's a reminder of the intricate and beautiful connections that sustain life on Earth.
Section 7. Oxygen, a vital byproduct. As a byproduct of photosynthesis, plants release oxygen into the atmosphere. This process is not only fascinating but also crucial for life on Earth. Photosynthesis is the method by which plants convert sunlight into energy using carbon dioxide and water. During this process, oxygen is produced and released as a byproduct. This oxygen then becomes a vital component of the air we breathe. This is the very same oxygen that we breathe. Imagine taking a deep breath in a lush forest, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs. That refreshing sensation is thanks to the oxygen produced by the plants around you. Without this continuous supply of oxygen, life as we know it would not be possible. Plants are constantly replenishing the Earth's oxygen supply, making life possible for humans and countless other organisms. Every breath we take is a reminder of the intricate balance of nature. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, all living beings rely on this oxygen to survive. The oxygen cycle is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on our planet. Think of plants as giant air purifiers. They not only produce oxygen but also help in cleaning the air by absorbing pollutants. This dual role makes them indispensable to maintaining the quality of the air we breathe. In urban areas where pollution levels are high, plants play a crucial role in mitigating the harmful effects of pollutants. They take in carbon dioxide, which we exhale, and release oxygen, which we need to survive. This exchange is a beautiful example of nature's efficiency. The carbon dioxide we produce is not wasted. Instead, it becomes a vital resource for plants. In return, they provide us with the oxygen we need to live. This symbiotic relationship highlights the importance of preserving our natural environment. It's a perfect example of how interconnected life on Earth truly is. Every living organism, from the tiniest microbe to the largest whale, is part of a complex web of life. Plants are at the center of this web, supporting countless forms of life through the oxygen they produce. This interconnectedness means that the health of our planet depends on the health of its plants. We depend on plants for our survival, and they, in turn, utilize some of the byproducts of our respiration. This cycle of exchange is continuous and vital. By understanding and appreciating this relationship, we can better appreciate the importance of conserving our natural habitats and ensuring that plants continue to thrive. After all, the air we breathe and the life we lead are deeply intertwined with the well-being of the plant kingdom.
Section 8. Plants, the foundation of life. Plants are the foundation of almost all food chains on Earth. herbivores or plant-eating animals, directly consume plants, gaining energy and nutrients. Carnivores, or meat-eaters, then eat the herbivores, indirectly relying on plants for their survival. Plants are essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems and supporting biodiversity. They provide food and shelter for a wide range of animals, insects, and even other plants. Forests, grasslands, and other plant-rich habitats are teeming with life, all thanks to the vital role plants play.
Section 9. Protecting our green guardians. Plants are essential for life on Earth. They provide us with oxygen, food, and support a vast web of life. It's our responsibility to protect these green guardians and ensure their survival for generations to come.
By learning about plants and appreciating their importance, we can all do our part to conserve them. Planting trees, reducing deforestation, and protecting natural habitats are just a few ways we can make a difference. Remember, when we protect plants, we protect ourselves and the future of our planet.